Hello my fabulous people, hope everything is good with you. So today's video will be a go-to look and it's going to be a series, so we're going to get straight into it. Brows are already done, so I'm going to go straight into my Cover FX primer and put that all over my face. This primer is okay, it's not one my favorite primer, but it is nonetheless a cool primer. So now I'm going to my Innisfree cushion. It is the matte full cover cushion and the color is W37 golden tan. Now this color is so not my color, as you can see. I'm gonna look very ghostly, but don't worry, I will be fixing that. Now I am going to fix it with my Glossier Stretch Concealer in the color Deep and buffing that all into my face. I am using my Morphe G22 to buff that onto my face. It's a stippling brush. Now I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Face Powder in the color Chestnut. Now for my cheeks, I'm using my La Femme blush and that is in the color Apricot. And after that, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit and that glow, and I'm using the color Golden Bronze onto my cheeks. Now for the eyes, I am using ColourPop palette and it is called Double Entendre. I'm using the color Extracurricular and Hard, and I'm adding that onto my crease. And for the lid, I'm using the color Nip Slip and putting that all over my lid. Now I'm using my NYX On the Point pen liner and winging my eyes. Now I'm using Essence Princess Lash Mascara and putting that all over my lashes. Now I'm going back to my Anastasia Glow Kit again, and this time I am using Dripping in Gold and putting that to highlight my brow bone. The reason why I'm using a shimmer highlighter is because my eyes are matte, so that's the only reason why I'm using a shimmer highlight. And I'm also going to put that in my inner corner too. Now for lips, I am using my NYX Butter Gloss and it's in the color Cherry Cheesecake, one of my favorite glosses. And I'm using my ColourPop bronzer in the color Bits and Pieces. And I'm just going to add that onto my cheeks using the 3, which is you start with forehead, then you go to the cheeks, and then to the jawline. And that's pretty much it. The look is done and I hope y'all guys like. This again will be a series. So this is look number 2. But if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and also press that gray bell notification so you can see all my future videos. I would definitely talk to y'all guys next time. Remember to stay real and fabulous. And until then, mwah, bye.